Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, is a goal oriented approach designed to identify and alter the biased interpretations, known as cognitive distortions, that maintain distressing symptoms like anxiety or depression. Unlike traditional therapies that might focus heavily on the past, CBT is time limited, usually lasting between 15 to 25 weeks, with one session per week, and maintains a strict focus on solving current problems and challenges in the here and now. The process is built on a foundation of collaborative empiricism, which means the therapist and client work together like scientists to examine thoughts as hypotheses that can be tested against evidence. Each session is highly structured, ensuring time is used efficiently, and includes regular homework assignments to bridge the gap between therapy and daily life. To make these changes, CBT utilizes specific cognitive and behavioral techniques. On the cognitive side, several precise tools are used to address thinking patterns. The first step is the identification of a biased interpretation, often called automatic negative thoughts or cognitive distortions. Once identified, the next step involves testing this biased interpretation to check if it matches reality. From there, the process moves to the identification of assumptions or cognitive errors, which are the maladaptive general assumptions or rules underlying those initial biased interpretations. Finally, the technique involves testing the validity of those underlying assumptions. These steps help people move from stuck, biased thinking to a more balanced and functional perspective. Behavioral techniques are also integrated to help drive these cognitive shifts. This includes activity scheduling to build a healthy routine and mastery in pleasure tasks to rebuild confidence. Clients also use graded task assignments to break overwhelming challenges into small steps, cognitive rehearsal to mentally prepare for situations, self reliance training to build independence, and role playing and diversion to manage difficult moments.